Okay, we shall start with question number 3. Again, 3 has two parts. It is a cone. We have to place the axis of the cone in the first case vertical and the second case axis horizontal. So as usual, you have to draw the orthographic projection of the cone. Top view will be a circle, front view will be a triangle. I have not drawn the front view, I have just drawn the top view. So first I will be drawing the top view of the cone. It will be a circle. The dimension has to be taken from isoscale. As usual, once you have drawn the circle, you inscribe the circle inside a box. Since it is a circle, we will be getting a perfect square. I am naming the corners as A, B, C and D. You identify the midpoints also. It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I am naming the corners as A, B, C, D. Okay, now we are going to tilt this square at an angle 30 degrees. So automatically what will happen will be the circle also will get tilted at an angle 30 degree. Now thing is, when I am tilting a circle at an angle 30 degree, what we will be getting will be an ellipse, and this ellipse we are going to draw a method called 4 center method. From the name itself we can understand we have to identify 4 different centers and we will be drawing the ellipse using compass itself. Okay, now for that, first what you have to do is, as usual, draw the reference line. I will be drawing a reference line. I will be marking a point on it. You can name that point as B, this point. Whatever be this point, I will be marking it here. Okay, axis is vertical. So first you draw two 30 degree lines. 30 degree lines on both sides. Okay, on towards left side and right side. BA length, whatever be the length of BA, you mark it on this side. Whatever be the length of BC, you mark it on this side. That will be same length. And take that distance itself from C and A and you cut the arcs, you will be getting point D. So first I will be drawing this box. It is a square. Okay, you can take the same radius. You will be marking it on all 4 sides. Now, after that, you identify the midpoints also. We have marked the midpoints here. You take this distance, you transfer it. Okay, but make sure it is the exact midpoint. When we are finding the midpoints, we will be getting points 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what I did was, I first marked A, B, C, D. I identified this box. Then I identified the midpoints 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the steps are, first you join 2 and 3 to its opposite corner D. I will be joining 2 and 3 to its opposite corner D. And then I will be joining 1 and 4 to its opposite corner B. 2 and 3 will be joined to D, 1 and 4 will be joined to B. Now, look at the steps. First, I will be taking D as center and D2 as radius in my compass. D center, D2 radius, I will be drawing an arc. That arc will meet exactly at 3. Next, Q as center, Q3 as radius, draw another arc. That arc will meet exactly at 4. Next, B as center, B4 as radius. B as center, B4 radius, draw another arc. It will meet exactly at 1. And P as center, P1 as radius, draw an arc. It will meet exactly at 2. Okay, so we will be drawing the ellipse using our compass itself. B as first center was D as center, D2 radius. I will be drawing an arc. Next, Q as center, Q3 radius. I will be drawing an arc. Next, B as center, B4 radius. I will be drawing an arc. And last, P as center, P1 as radius. I will be drawing an arc. Next, I have to find this center of this ellipse. For that, you can see if I am joining 2 and 4, it will pass exactly through the center. Here also, you draw a light line joining 2 and 4. And you transfer this distance, we will be getting the center. We are drawing a cone. So first, from this point, you draw the axis. You draw the axis of the cone. Axis is given 80 mm. Okay. So you have to take that dimension from isoscale. I will be taking that dimension from isoscale. I will be getting the apex here. This will be our apex O. Now what you have to do is, you draw a line from O tangential to this ellipse on both sides. And a line tangential on this side, a line tangential on this side. Okay, we will be getting our cone. And this much portion should be made dark. This portion should be made dark. And the portion that is inside our tangential line, that should be dotted. So this is how our ellipse, our cone will look like. Okay. So I will be finding the center. I will be taking the height from isoscale. I will be joining lines tangential. Same method is for drawing cylinder also. That is question number 4A. Okay. After drawing this box, instead of drawing the axis, you have to draw vertical lines from A, B, C and D. You draw vertical lines from A, B, C, D. Again on top face, you will be getting another box. Draw an ellipse, another ellipse on top. And then join these two ellipses tangentially using vertical lines. You will be getting a cylinder. So draw these two figures.